こんにちは、愛です。Hello, my name is Ai. I'm a Japanese mom who lives in Southern California with my two girls and my partner. In this video, I'm gonna introduce Japanese home cooking. Keywords are easy, simple, yummy, and Japanese. はい、今日は、皆さんと一緒に美味しい、簡単な、美味しくて簡単なおやつを作りたいと思います。おやつ is a snack, 3 o'clock snack.In Japan, kids and adults, everybody kinda enjoy a 3 o'clock snack. Like at school, at home, at companies, everywhere, 3 o'clock is a snack time. And today's snack is very easy and tasty. もち米とあんこのケーキ、ね、cake with sticky rice and Anko inside.This is actually not Japanese. This is not Japanese home cooking. Actually, it's a Chinese style. Chinese friend told me how to make this. And for Chinese people, they put that in between sticky rice, sweet sticky rice. They put Anko, red bean paste, and pork, cooked pork. So it's a kind of sweet and savory food, but I skipped pork because I'm not used to eating Anko with meat together. So mine is a little bit modified, kind of Japanese version, my version. So let's see how to prepare もち米とあんこの cake. I used 8-inch pan, small pan for this recipe.You need 2 cups of sticky rice, uncooked sticky rice, and so when you cooked, it's gonna be like 4 cups. And 1 cup of sweet red bean paste, Anko. And you need 4 tablespoons of black sesame, irigoma, some sesame oil, and 4 tablespoons of pine nuts. So first,chop the pine nuts. Chop the 4 tablespoons of pine nuts. Heat the frying pan, 8-inch frying pan, and spread the sesame oil and place half of sticky rice. Try to make it flat and even, and then spread the Anko or red bean paste. Spread evenly and place the rest of the sticky rice over Anko. So it's like a cake or sandwich. Anko is filling. And make it nice and flat and even.And sprinkle pine nuts, chopped pine nuts, 4 tablespoons of pine nuts, and sprinkle 4 teaspoons of black sesame. And cook over medium heat, cook about 5 minutes. And to flip over, we're gonna use the lid or plate and slide it nice and gently.And slide back in and cook another about 5 minutes over medium heat. And again using the plate, flip over and Anko Mochi cake is ready to serve. Before you cut,I should have waited, but I couldn't wait, so I cut while it's still hot, and it's hard to separate, but it doesn't matter. Hot or cold, it tastes good, and I couldn't wait, so I'm eating in the kitchen right after I made, and it tastes so good. You'll be shocked. 美味しいおやつです。とっても美味しいおやつです。